All right. So I see this is the original Packout tool chest.
Yes, sir.
Right? It's big, it's tall, it's heavy, and this is
the new rolling tool chest with compact split lid. We heard your guys' user feedback. We know that people love this tool chest, but have also been asking for something more compact. And this is our solution to that ask. The really cool thing about this is it also features our new compact split lid, which allows you easy access to those commonly used stores, tools, and material.
You can just pull out your batteries.
Yes. You can put our dividers there. We are going to be selling it with 2 of our most versatile dividers that are going to be toolbox attachment compatible. And those dividers can go within the 5 attachment points within the box. You also get the compact split lid.
But if you don't want to split, then you just open it up because it auto latches.
Yep. And you can store both compact and large Packout on the same rolling base.
All right. And still, it's tall enough to fit the batteries in the accessory holder.
Batteries. It has a 250-pound weight capacity, same as the current tool chest.
Okay, and it looks like it has I guess the lid lock.
Yep.
It's a narrower profile, but it still fits full Packout.
So this fits both. This fits
fit
2
from the
large,
side.
dual stack
Right, like-
Packout, full stack, so you can put 2 large Packout toolboxes on top. This is the compact version.
Okay. So take this. Do that, and then this will go. Okay, so and then we can put a full Packout drawer or box. Can we get one?
Yeah.
Can we take that? Put it
Of
on?
course.
Oh, it's already on that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, making you
No worries.
move things. And you have that, and then you can still lift the lid. Oh, okay. All right, and it does come with the battery insert.
No, it just comes with the dividers. With the 2 dividers.
That you
That's
could
a toolbox attachment that's compatible.
And then you can put whatever you want in
Yeah.
there, and you have.
And organize. You have the flexibility as the user to choose how you'd like to set it
Okay,
up.
like if I want this,
You can
on
put it
top
in
of
there.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of course.
please. That was easy.
Yes, sir.
And then you need your accessories. How many could you fit on?
You can fit 2 toolbox attachments, 1 on each side.
All right, but you can't put one lower. That's for the deeper, like that. We have the deeper attachments. You can do that.
No, each divider only holds 1 toolbox attachment on each side.
Okay, so we can't put one underneath this.
No.
Okay. All right. But you have the depth so you could fit the taller ones.
Yes.
Looks good. What's the price point?
This is going to be $219.
$219. And the bigger one?
That one is $229.
All right, so it's pretty close.
Yeah.
But this one, it's hard. You can't doorways.
It's definitely the solution for somebody that needs to store a lot and needs to roll onto the job site. Not someone that's going to be navigating tight spaces.
And you have similar latches. You have
Similar latches,
actually,
yeah.
You have the extending handle. And it's over there. And you can still latch this up. Just roll with this. I mean, that's a bit awkward, but I guess you can.
Yeah, of course. So you can see a wheelbarrow it, drag it behind you, everything that you need to do, and then tuck that handle away for easy storage.
And you still have the wide wheelbase. I see with the others with inset,
following that same Packout storyline.
so you get that stability.
Make it truly an addition.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.